A'udzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. So today in this video I'm gonna tell you 3 things that you must do this Ramadan, and it will really help you to make your Ramadan fruitful. Number 1 thing to do is long prostrations. The Prophet, peace be upon him, has said that it lightened the burden of sins on your shoulders. Just remember Allah in your sujoos, just ask for forgiveness. The Prophet says that if you do long prostrations, the punishment of Allah will not come upon you. So long prostrations indeed make the punishment go away from the believers. So this Ramadan we don't want any kind of punishment. So we must spend more time in sujood. The second thing to do in this Ramadan is that the Prophet, peace be upon him, has emphasized the importance of helping, visiting, and inviting people in this month. And Prophet, peace be upon him, says that if a person helps another fasting person to break his fast at the time of iftar, it is as if has got the reward of one fast. So if a person is not fasting due to health issues, but he helps a fasting person to break his fast, Allah will give him reward of one fast. So we can say that Allah has opened the door of blessings for everyone in this month. And even if you are fasting and you invite your relatives or believers at your home to break their fast, you will also get the reward. And the number 3rd thing to do in this month is that Prophet, peace be upon him, has said that whoever corrects his morals in this month, he will easily cross the bridge of Sirat in Qiyamah. So it means we should avoid lying, gossiping, slandering, backbiting, anger, fighting. And when we leave these things, we focus on patience, tolerance, silence, and perseverance. As it is also the day of the birth anniversary of Imam Hassan, peace be upon him, the grandson of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, he has said that there is no poverty like ignorance. So if we want to correct our morals, first of all, we have to leave this ignorance and find the truth. So when we avoid all these bad habits, our anger issues, slandering, gossiping, that is very common in our society, we leave our ignorance and come to the straight path. That is, now we are more patient, we are tolerant, we don't fight on useless issues. And because the main plan of this holy month is to make a weak person a healthier one and to make healthy people perfect. So Allah wants believers to become complete, to become perfect in this holy month. So we must correct our morals and we must leave our ignorance. And inshallah, this Ramadan will be very fruitful to us.